guys, we're gonna play some jailbird, and as in my last video, there was an update. It's not in the city, but in the volcano base, there's it literally exploded the volcano. So we'll be showing that later in the video. Let's quickly do this. The last one in the jail cell. Cargo plane is there? What is this? Is it even running? Okay, finally. Oh, jeez. Now it's kind of easy. Good. Okay, let's see, guys. Let's see if we can. Sorry about that noise, guys. It's like a music video. Okay, let me shut that off. You can still hear it in the background, guys. Sorry about that. Yeah, cause some people are also living in my house. Yeah, so let me just sit down. Let's quickly do this. And also, guys, I got a Louis Vuitton shirt, boys. Now I look like a rigid bacon. And also, that's the same because that's oh, dang! Bruh. I'm gonna dang it. Died. And I was on the one of the last floors, dude. I'm so satisfied that I actually died. I almost never died. Okay, guys, are you still guys with me? Okay, yeah, you are. Just wasn't sure. He's ooh, see, look. Okay, guys, let's watch the video. It's by Bad CC. Shout out to him. So we need to search. Oh wait, no. It's Bad CC. Oh wait, no. Child. Bad CC. Okay, guys, it's a new video. Where'd it go? Yeah, this is it. See, look, as it's rising, people are running. I like it. Look, it's exploding. In game now, guys. This is actually in game though, so play jailbird. This is the new car, guys. This is gonna be the Lamborghini GT or something. See, look, it's even in my username video. That's the best glance we can look at it. So, it's not here yet, but it's to be continued. See, look. Also, guys, you probably did not know this, but there was going to be actually sandstorms in the game. Let me show you that video also. Admiral 3089. He's the person. Yes. That's it. See, look, this is this sandstorm. Like it. See, look, sandstorm. Wasn't that long of a video, but it's fine. And yeah, so there's not much else. Well, that's all for today, guys. I just wanted to see, I wanted to show you some updates. Play jailbreak, have fun. See you next time.